Wonka Utah's garage and workshop. What am I going to talk about in this video? I'm doing a couple little chat videos right now. I posted a short up last week or this week. Yeah, probably by the time this goes up, it'll be last week. Last week, saying I'm going to fix my Kurt Vise because it looks like shit, but it's in good shape. It looks terrible, but it's thank you to the person who sold it to me. Not complaining. It just looks terrible, but it looks underneath in this. So I'm probably gonna, what do you call it? It's over there, so I'm looking that way. Yeah, I'm probably gonna like strip it clean, throw in a vapor rust, put it all back together, and give the bottom the nice Kurt. I don't know if I can find the right Kurt blue paint, but I'll try to find something close. And Kurt badge is kind of bad. Maybe I can contact the company, get a new badge, and see if they will even give me one, a blank one or whatever. And I gotta find bolts for the jaws. Like I gotta find cap screws, and I'm like, none of my cap screws fit in there. I think I will probably find out the thread first, but I gotta figure out what length. But other than that, excellent Vise. I'm basically gonna tear it down, redo it. That'll be an upcoming video. I still have a upcoming video. I have to finish the this thing right here, the circle cutter. I finished painting these two things, then I can start putting it back together, but it keeps raining every time I want to do paint, so that'll wait a couple more weeks, or I'm gonna have to carry them over to my house, put them in the heated house, paint them, and let it dry. I don't want to do that because it's a pain in the ass. It's just more reasons to destroy the paint job, bring it here and there. Not like I'm not gonna destroy the paint job in here, but you know. So that's up and coming, and I got a few other parts. I have to put it back together soon before I forget how to put it back together. You know, it's really simple. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. How many minutes are on this thing? Can't tell. It's only a 2-minute video. So yeah, I have to go like this because I can't see the numbers. Once I like this, I can see them. It's right up in the middle of the screen I'm looking at. So yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and keep watching. I got more videos. And I'm just going to keep popping more up. I have a lot more work in here. And once I get my little schedule rearranged and fixing other stuff, you'll see more videos. Thanks for watching.